Hi everyone. In this lessons we are going to discuss about the books and resources, that what books we need to require to what to do. So I had made in this list, so everything is written there. I will, in the end of the video, I will add it in the PDF format that you can see also. And here we are moving towards the BSc part 2 syllabus. Okay, and in this year we need to take only 3 books for the honors paper. Okay, now the first is the Caudate, that is the vertebrate. We need to take the RL Kotpal 3's book. Okay, I have already taken the book, that is on my table. Okay, I will show you in the last of the videos. And for the comparative anatomy, we need to take the Kent, Kent. This is the name of the author. Okay, and last portion, that is embryology, we need to take the book of the Birwara Rastogi. This is the Rastogi publication book. Okay, and for the botany and chemistry subsidiary paper, you need to prepare by yourself. Okay, and I think I'm doing so I will repeat this. I will complete the syllabus on the YouTube onwards. You can watch my videos. It will be enough for that portions. Okay, and I am adding this PDF of this paper, that you can also know what is written on the sheet of the paper. Okay, so that's all. Was the list that I was showing on that screen, that this was the plan for the BSc part 1. I had followed this plan, and my examination was also good by following this plan. So you can prefer this book. The student who are in part 1, they can watch this, that they can also know which books are to keep with us during the preparation. Okay, and I had followed this book. You can take a screenshot of this book. We will discuss about the BSc part 2 onwards. Okay, and for the botany subsidiary paper, you need to know about the previous year questions and topic wise on online media. I had made the self notes on online media, but this year the exam pattern was totally changed. Every topic was on the PDF, objective questions. Now this year our examination for the subsidiary paper was on the objective paper. Okay, objective manner. We need to prepare on the objective, though we have to leave the subjective and have to make the objective paper. Okay, and this was the date whenever I made this plan. This was the 5/1/2021. That was the 5 May. Okay, I had made in this plan, and I am following this plan onwards. And these are the important points that we need to keep in mind during the preparations, that we need to keep the printout of the syllabus, that what the syllabus is, what our syllabus is, and what we need to study. We need to first have to know our syllabus, what is in it. Okay, and now the next point is that we need to take the question bank. We need to take the question banks, that in order to knowing the exam pattern of the university, that how the university asks the exam, by seeing the question banks for the previous year question bank, that we will aware of these topics, that these are the topics, and these were the repeated questions, these were the non-repeated questions. We need to prepare on the behalf of that person. Okay, and previous year paper, that is the question bank paper, it will help us to understand the level of examination and exam pattern. Okay, this was the pattern, and this is the paper part 2. The student who are in BSc part 2, they can prefer these books. Okay, I had taught you about the books and resources, that were the for the coded portions. We need to take the vertebrate, that is RL Kotpal, comparative anatomy Kent, embryology, that is Virwala Rastogi, VV Rastogi. Okay, and chemistry and botany subsidiary, repeat the previous year plan. I had followed this plan for 1 year. That was the plan for the part 1, that you can also follow this plan for the BSc part 2 onwards, that is previous year question paper and topic wise on online media. I had made in the self notes on this. Okay, and for chemistry subsidiary also, we need to previous year questions and self notes. I had made in this because every topic I studied in class 11th or 12th standard, and we need to just refresh the topics and have to add something on this new topic. Okay, and I had already made in the plan for the BSc part 3, but we will discuss in the another year, because whenever we will go in the part 3, we will discuss these topics. Okay, and that's all. And if you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe to the channel. That's all. Adding this point, that from 3rd January, that is on Monday, we are going to start the classes of our college preparation on YouTube onwards. The student who want to do the classes and want to prepare the videos, they can watch the videos. I will upload the video, I will make the self notes, and I will discuss in detail about the syllabus. I had already taught you about the syllabus. I will discuss the topic wise descriptions, and I will provide you the exam pattern, at how the questions are asking, and I will do everything for that. Will be enough for our college preparations. The student who want to do the videos and prefer, they can also prefer these videos. I will do the whole syllabus, that for the paper 3rd, paper 4th, and for the subsidiary parts also. For the botany and chemistry subsidiary parts, I will also prefer these books. Okay, so the student who want to do the classes, they can join with me. That's all.